What are the stages of human sexual response?
Excitement, plateau, orgasm, resolution.
What are the physiological changes occur during sexual intercourse?
In females, clitoris swells, vagina get wet and slippery, blood flow to breasts increase, nipples get hard and erected, heart rate and blood pressure rise. In males, muscular tension increase, smooth muscles of scrotum contracts, testicles are pulled upward towards the abdomen, pulse rate and blood pressure increase, and erection of penis occur.
How erection occurs?
Arterioles of penis dilate and erectile tissue of penis fills with blood. The veins are compressed, so the outflow of blood is blocked. The pressure created by blood in corpora cavernosa expands the penis and makes it firm. It is called erection.
What are the endocrine causes that can cause erectile dysfunction?
Hypogonadism, hyperprolactinemia.
What is the action of sildenafil as a treatment of erectile dysfunction?
It inhibits the breakdown of cyclic GMP, which is a potent vasodilator.
In which phase ejaculation occurs?
In orgasm,
What happens in females in this phase?
muscles in outer third of vagina contract in rapid series of pulses. Heart rate and blood pressure are at their highest rate. Muscles of uterus also contract.
What is the contraceptive method that can be used to prevent pregnancy after an unprotected sexual activity?
Morning after pill.
Okay, what does it contain? How it works?
It contains high dose of synthetic progesterone. It works primarily by delaying or preventing ovulation.
Other than that, what do you know about oral contraceptive pills?
There are two types, combined pills and progesterone-only pills. Combined pills contain synthetic estrogen and progesterone hormones. They are resistant to hepatic metabolism. They inhibit ovulation. There are two types, monophasic and triphasic. In monophasic pill cards, same amount of hormones are included in all pills. Three groups of hormonal pills which have more physiological concentrations are included in triphasic pill cards. Each card has 21 hormonal pills and 7 pills without hormone. Menstruation occurs when pills without hormones are used.
Do you know any other situation we can use oral contraceptive pills?
To girls whose menstrual periods are irregular, painful, or associated with heavy bleeding, oral contraceptive pills can help to regulate the menstrual cycles. In every 28 days, they reduce the amount and the length of the menstrual bleeding.
Are there any side effects of oral contraceptive pills?
Yes, hypertension, thromboembolism, breast cancer, and migraine.
If someone has one of these risks already, what are the other contraceptive methods they can use?
Intrauterine devices, condoms, diaphragm, or cervical cap.
What contraceptive methods would you suggest for a woman with one child who wishes to get pregnant after 2 years?
Contraceptive implant or intrauterine device.
What is the mode of action of copper-containing intrauterine devices?
They mediate inflammatory reactions in endometrium that appear to prevent sperm from reaching fallopian tubes.
What are the suitable contraceptive methods to a couple that desire no children in future, or to couples who have completed their families?
Vasectomy for males or tubal ligations for female.
Why we don't give estrogen containing oral contraceptive pills to lactating mothers?
Because estrogen suppress the lactation by inhibiting prolactin.
Then, what is the pill that is given to them?
Progesterone only pill.
What will happen when baby sucks the nipple of the mother?
Suckling evokes reflex oxytocin release and ejection of milk. It also augments and maintains the milk secretion by stimulating prolactin secretion.
What are the actions of oxytocin?
It contracts myoepithelial cells of the alveoli and duct wall of breasts, causing ejection of milk. It causes contraction of uterine smooth muscles in childbirth.
Is it the only stimuli for ejection of milk?
No, emotional stimuli like fondling of the baby by mother, hearing the crying of baby can cause milk ejection.
Do you know any other hormone which is intensified during lactation?
Parathyroid hormone.
Why amenorrhea is present in lactating period?
Nursing stimulates prolactin secretion. It inhibits GnRH secretion and its effects on pituitary gland. Also, it antagonizes the actions of gonadotrophins on ovary. So, ovulation is inhibited and ovaries become inactive during this period. It results low levels of estrogen and progesterone levels, delaying the occurrence of menstrual cycles after childbirth.